Welcome back and let's solve another CTF today. This video is a part of picoCTF series for which I have made an entire sheet with a walkthrough link, the category, the challenge name as well as the difficulty so that it will be easier for you to track and complete the challenges. Now let's get back to the challenge. Just get started. Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure
and keep hacking.
Today, let's check the challenge Stego. It means just steganography. So, not much information is given. We can just download the image and get started with it. So, if we download it, and we can see there is a normal file, a picoCTF logo on it. So, this is a checklist which we follow during our forensic challenges. First, we'll check file and not much info strings, and we filter out using the term picoCTF based on the flag format, and we don't find anything. Then exit 2 and let's see. So not much information are present. We can go ahead and run the command staghide to check if any text details are hidden inside the images. But what happens is sometimes we can modify the RGB values to find how the text is actually stored or any hidden data. So for that we can use any image editor to change the RGB values, but instead of that I have a very interesting tool called ZStag. I will give the link in the description below so that you can download it and go ahead. So we can go ahead and write this. So yes, it does have manual, but yeah. So let's get ahead with this ZStag and then file name. And if we want to try all methods, we have to give the flag -a. But I think without it, let's see if we can get any information. And as you can see, let me run the code again. And just using a few of the methods like changing RGB values, LSB and XY, we got the text as this. Similarly, during other parameters, we got different text, but the text which is important to us is this. So ZStack is very useful tool when we have to check if there are any hidden data inside an image or PDF. So you can go ahead and download it and use ZStack for your upcoming challenges. So we can paste this. The flag format is this. So we have to make sure that we adhere to the flag format, like the actual string is still this because the flag closes with a curly bracket. If you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again, see you in the next video.